In this video, we show you how to unpack and set up the ROTOLAVIT II automatic washing centrifuge. This video is for information purposes only and does not replace the instruction manual. Please always read and follow the official instructions. For all the following steps you will need a box cutter, a 240-volt socket, 2 people to lift the device, a 5mm hexagonal wrench, a container with an isotonic or physiological saline solution, an empty container for the wastewater and laboratory gloves. First we unpack the device. Note that a bag with accessories and the operating instructions are included in the scope of delivery. Choose a stable table as a location that is free of other objects. See Chapter 7 Installing the Cell Washing Centrifuge for more detailed information on the location requirements and setting up the device. We recommend that 2 people lift the ROTOLAVIT II. Position it so that the base is accessible in order to remove the transport bolts. Use the hexagonal wrench included in the accessories. After removing the transport lock, open the lid using the emergency lid release. To do this, remove the plug and press the supplied release pin into the opening to unlock the lid. Then remove the packaging material. Next we connect the tubes. Insert the saline tube into the inlet one port and the other end into the solution container. Then insert the drain tube tightly into the drain outlet and place the other end into a suitable container or drain for the drained saline and blood waste. Then connect the plug to the 24-volt power supply and stow the power cord in the device. Finally, plug the power cord into a grounded outlet that meets electrical standards. Switch on the appliance. The initialization process takes about 1 minute. The start screen then appears. The setup of the ROTOLAVIT II is now complete. Thank you for watching our video on unpacking and setting up the ROTOLAVIT II washing centrifuge. Subscribe to our channel to make sure you don't miss any more videos.